What? I have 1,000 subscribers already? How did that happen? That was quick. Didn't I just do a 750 giveaway? Wow, that's cool. Yeah, I kind of dig that. 1,000 subscribers. Wait a second. Didn't I promise some people 1,000 subscriber dance? Alright, welcome to my 1,000 subscriber giveaway! Here it is, already! I just gave Maniac Grammy her tea for her 750 and bam, I'm up to 1,000! Wow! Let's give more stuff away! So, wow! I hardly know what to say. I mean, this did happen so fast. Like, in a month's time I went from 750 to 1,000, just like, boom! And I think I gotta give a special thanks and shout out to like Angela Ortiz and Blood X, because I think because of those guys and some others who I've been marketing with and hobnobbing with, my subs just went ba-boom! And so thank you guys! Woohoo! Yeah! You rock! You rock! That's not so rocking as it is like beep 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 rock! More like that. Okay, so, giveaway rules, in case you haven't heard them before. Let's do them again. Rule number 1, you must of course like the video. Rule number 2, probably should be number 1. You actually have to subscribe to my channel. Rule number 3, you have to leave a comment on this video. Right now, comment below. Rule number 4, you must enter by a date. So I'm posting this on the 29th of September, Sunday. So right now it is Sunday, the 29th of September, which means you have 1 week after this date to go ahead and make sure you meet all the other rules and enter this contest. 6th of October, that's your date, okay? 6th of October, you must enter by the 6th of October. Rule number 5, be awesome. Really, there is no rule number 5. Yeah. It's for fun. Because I love you guys, and you're all awesome. Because you're subscribed to my channel. Woo! Love you! That brings me to my next point, which is thank you. Thank you so much. My goal was, of course, to hit 1,000 by this end of this year. And to hit it in September is like, yeah! Woo! There's so many of you who connect with my content and leave me comments all the time, and I just love the fact that I see that I've got like maybe 75 or 100 views and 75 to 100 comments, you know? That's really cool. So, yes, beyond thank you, my friends, once again. My gosh, it's so touching and it means so much to me, and I can't say enough to all you guys. Thank you. In fact, I can say a little bit more to a couple of people. Cause it's time for the shout-outs! Shout-out number 1 is Holly's Happy Hour. What's in my glass? Tea. What's in her glass? Probably not tea. But that's cool, cause it's Holly. And that's what she does, and she's allowed to. But she also, more importantly, does lots of positive reinforcement messages in a lot of her videos. She does various videos about, you know, how to grow on YouTube as well, and some other various fun content, and she's just a fun gal, so go check her out. She's got good stuff. Shout out number 2 is Marlene's How-Tos. She's a very young channel. She's got like, I think 10 videos out right now and less than 100 subscribers. So definitely give her a boost. She's got a video on how to create a mixture to attract hummingbirds. She's got a video on how to identify poison ivy. So that's her idea, is the how-tos, you know, how to do various things. She's got some stuff on pineapple, which is cool. So check her out, Marlene's How-Tos. Channel number 3, Geo Nature Views. This one's pretty self-explanatory. It's nature views. So mostly he has lots of videos about birds, of course, which I love birds. But also has other things. He's got a video on a monkey and grasshoppers and squirrels. So, you know, just lots of fun animal nature videos. And if that's your kind of thing, Geo Nature Views. Geo Nature Views is a channel for you. Speaking of nature views, DeesBackyardBirds. Of course, as it says in the title, once again, she has lots of videos on birds, and I mean all kinds of different exotic ones, and some really good footage too. I mean some really nice looking footage. So she's got tons and tons and tons of videos on various birds and good quality footage too. So bird your thing, DeesBackyardBirds. Yeah. Shout out number 5. If you need some nice and relaxing music just to have on in the background, then check out Chords. He has wonderful music that's really soothing. Generally, he puts out like these hour-long videos with just some really cool music. So if you just want easy stuff in the background, this stuff's great. You know, it's good to just put on and let roll and do its thing. You know, it makes your mood of your day nice and cool. Like that. Yeah. Makes me want to do the Hidden World dance. I don't know why. Alright, so that's it. I'm going to wrap it up right there, my friends. You know the rules. You know what to do. Thank you once again. Love y'all. And until next time, you guys be kind to each other. And we'll see you for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway.